Lights, camera, action! Hello folks, I'm DIY newbie, totally unaware of the wild ride I've signed up for. Buckle up, because it's time for popcorn, snappy commentary, and to witness my epic quest of home improvement. The first episode is dedicated to a super simple task, reinforcing the beams supporting the stairs. Now, the stairs is already bolted to the floor, thank goodness. But while I have access, I figured it's better to be safe than sorry. Like a true craftsman, I got myself a laser tape measure, which will come in handy more than once. It looks good, clean, but not for long. Let's reinforce this beauty using the sandwich method. Existing board, glue, new board, corner braces at the ends, and voila! Now I'm sure you're all thinking, who's gonna hold that board for this amateur? Relax, it's under control. I'm trying this Instagram hack where you screw in a board that is not exactly level. Sure, you could hold it by hand, but why do that when you can try a live hack? The glue is great, but a few screws won't hurt. As it turns out, I'm not fully prepared. Surprise, surprise. I didn't have a long drill bit, but I improvised with a screw to mark where I need to drill through the other side. Genius, right? Corner braces for a peaceful sleep. Here, just for a show, I set down the level, but I had already screwed everything in, and because of slight deviation, I wouldn't have started fixing and no one would notice. I don't know why I cut those ends, because they would still be hidden. A small step for a man, but a giant leap for mankind. Can't really say that, because it's just a small step. But hey, every epic journey has to start somewhere. So, one small step at a time, we'll keep moving forward. Join me next time for an episode filled with dust and sweat.